Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kings Island! For only one purpose, and that is the World Chili Spaghetti Eating Championship! Sonia the Black Widow Thomas! Patrick Bertoletti! Humble Bob Shea! Let the contest begin! Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, let's go! Oh, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! The moment is straight line. We're going through a tight one. Keep it on the number. Let's keep it on the We're running in the backseat.
Sonia now finishing her first bowl of spaghetti. She is known as the Black Widow for her tendency to beat the men. Fragile, yes, but as in supercalifragilistic. Teeth like pow, jaws like wow. 21 world records.
All ripped up and ready to go. We're running in the straight line. We're going through a tight
Kevin Ross using the fork.
Keep it on the
The Grim Reaper, Derek Snyder going for the fist. Sonia Thomas now holding her own. Joey Chestnut, known as a very fast initial minutes eater. A guy who jumps out quick. Let's see if we can get a tally. Remember, all of the spaghetti must be eaten. Sonia Thomas competing today barefoot. Her feet set at shoulder length apart. Perfect form. Look at her body arcing over that spaghetti like a jackal over her kill on the wild Serengeti. Sonia Thomas has completed 2 bowls of chili. Is that 2 or 3?
No, Sonia.
3 pounds of chili are gone. A minute plus in, Patrick Bertoletti on his 4th pound of chili spaghetti. It must be good chili spaghetti, otherwise they wouldn't be eating so much. Joey Chestnut now on his 4th bowl of chili spaghetti. Humble Bob shouts, "Area is a mess." It looks as if there was an explosion of some sort all over this place. That is completely unsightly. To me, it is physical poetry. To me, it's like watching Picasso paint. Humble Bob is going to have to clean his area, or there will be serious deductions. And if there's any confusion about the total tally, he may be DQ'd. DQ'd. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the top eaters in the world. It is impossible to predict who will win. Sonia Thomas beat Patrick Bertoletti. It's like trying to figure out which is the cutest Jonas brother. It's impossible. Okay, now Kevin Ross doing quite well with a fork. I think it's a disadvantage. Patrick Bertoletti, the mohawk-wearing 24-year-old chef from Chicago, Illinois, a sweet specialist, is right now just ahead of Joey Chestnut and Sonia Thomas, just a few strands of spaghetti ahead. And let me tell you something, even though there's chili on top of this, it's a high-carb meal. They are eating in direct contradiction to the edicts of Dr. Atkins, now dead R.I.P. 2 minutes gone, we're in the 3rd minute right now. The Grim Reaper now bending over like the slender sickle in the hand of death. Eating very slowly. He has eternity after all. The Grim Reaper is looking at his own demise right now, if I'm any judge, and I am. We're 3 minutes done in this con, 7 minutes left, 7 heavens, 7 days, 7 shores, 7 minutes left.
What's Sonia?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is compelling human drama. I don't know if you can see it. I can see it. This is going to move until there is literally an explosion of emotion. And when I say literally, I mean figuratively, because there's no explosion, but there's a lot of emotion. The triumph of the human spirit visible in every compression of the jaw, every swallow, every drop of saliva. We are 5 minutes left in this contest. 5 minutes left after halfway. Oh, I'm sorry, 6 minutes. Strike that. 4 minutes gone. 6 minutes left, a little bit less. Just trying to get a tally here. Sonia Thomas now, ladies, has taken over the lead. Just slightly ahead of Patrick Bertoletti and Joey Chestnut. Joey now having trouble. He seems to have trouble with the spaghetti. He doesn't know whether to eat them individually or as a big soft bowl of spaghetti. The confusion reigns, and even the slightest hesitation could spell doom for Joey Chestnut. Look at Patrick Bertoletti. A limp mohawk atop his head, smeared face orange from the spaghetti sauce. 3, 2, 1, Battaglia Spaghetti! Oh! Bob, what's not in your mouth has to come out right now. Bob, take out what's not in your mouth, yes. Inelegant, perhaps, but I run a tight ship. The dribble on his chest, a badge of victory, no need to shake hands. The Grim Reaper, how many? I have done contests, it's true, it's very sad. 22 years, all right? And I have seen close contests. This is the closest, because it's easier in some other things. They were so close that we have to go to the scale. We're going to the scale. The top 5 are going to the scale. Ladies and gentlemen, this was incredibly tight. We had to go, that's why we had to endure the Betty Davis eyes, because they were going to the judges and they had the scales. With 11+ pounds in 4th place, the number 2 ranked eater in the world, Patrick Bertoletti. In 3rd place, with 11 pounds, 12.7 ounces of chili spaghetti in 10 minutes, Sonia the Black Widow Thomas. This was so close. Our top 2 eaters ate 12 pounds, 6.3 ounces, and the other 13 pounds, 9 ounces. We have only one winner. It is between Joey Chestnut and Bob Shout. Wait a sec. Oh, they're so gracious. And the winner is Bob Shout! 13 pounds, 9.2 ounces to retain his title as the Kings Island chili spaghetti eating champion of the world.
Gold medal at $2,500 richer, humble Bob Shout!
Taking home the big check, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear it for your champion, Bob Shout. And let's hear it for the world champion, number 1 ranked Joey Chestnut. Sonia Thomas. Pat Bertoletti. Kevin Ross. Kuntz, the Grim Reaper, and all of the eaters here today. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Kings Island and Major League Eating, I am George Shea.